How to turn on Wi-Fi calling. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Wi-Fi calling on your Android phone. Wi-Fi calling lets you make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi network when your cellular signal is weak. Start by opening the Settings app. Then tap Network and Internet, Connections, or SIM card and mobile network, depending on your device. Next, select your SIM card if you're using dual SIM. Tap Wi-Fi calling, calls and SMS, or calling, depending on your phone. Turn on the Wi-Fi calling toggle. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once enabled, your phone will automatically use Wi-Fi for calls whenever a compatible Wi-Fi network is available and your carrier supports the feature. That's it. You've successfully enabled Wi-Fi calling on your Android phone. You can now enjoy clearer calls in areas with a weak cellular signal. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.